Water, it's life, but it is tasteless and sometimes it's really hard to drink it. You need to drink at least 8 glasses a day. Why? Because it's so important from your brain focus to your lungs, to your heart, muscles, and all the way down to the colon. So 8 glasses a day. With that, get healthy snacks. And I love to have grapes. I eat a lot of berries, strawberries, blackberries, blueberries. And for dry skin, you do need to take a lot of the avocado, papaya, banana. Oh, lemon. Lemon is so good. So, how can we make it, the simple water, a little bit exciting? So today, that's what I'm going to show you. So stay tuned until the end. How are we going to make this water exciting? For me to drink water, I have no problem, but a lot of individuals say, oh Maria, I can't. It's so boring. So I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that you can put into the water to make it taste better, and it's also very, very healthy. I have 2 liters of water. I take half a cucumber and I cut this into little slices. I take half a lemon and of course into slices. No, this does not go in the water, but I'm going to eat it because I love strawberries and mint tea. So I cut up my cucumber. I took the leaves off the stem, but I'm going to cut it up a little bit more now and into slices so the all the nutrients and the antioxidants get diffused in the water, and I'm going to eat the rest of my strawberry. Now what I did, I cut the leaves into pieces so the nutrients of the mint will diffuse in the water, and I already put some in here, so I'm going to put it all in there. And here we go. So in here is 2 liters of water, half a cucumber, half a lemon, and about 15 to 20, of course my hands are nice and clean, remember, wash your hands, 15 to 20 leaves of mint. There we go. And of course I'm going to push it down. So after you let it sit at room temperature for at least a couple of hours, you basically drink the diffused nutrients, and this water is full of antioxidants. The type of pitcher that I like is the one that has like little holes here, so that stays in there. So basically half a lemon, half a cucumber, and about 15 to 20 leaves, and I chop them up. What are the benefits of this? So basically it is a detox water, and I would advise you to drink this every day and have a lot of water in your system. It is very good for indigestion. If you have any type of stomach problems, it's a very, because of the mint, it is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It helps you with gum diseases and gum disorders, or if you have any teeth problems. It actually relieves, these 3 ingredients actually relieves if you have any nausea, well, especially for pregnant women, but if you have feeling like not feeling too good and nausea, it's amazing, like for morning sickness. It prevents asthma. The mint itself, it is a natural relaxant, and it helps you to with the breathing. Amazing to boost your immune system. It helps you relieve any kind of infections. It helps you with weight loss. It helps you to absorb nutrients. So drinking this regularly will also help you with acne skin, and it gives you your skin a natural glow. So, do this in the morning. It takes you only a couple of minutes, just 3 ingredients, clean water, and that's it. So it has been 2 hours, so all the nutrients from the cucumber, lemon, and mint is diffused in the water. Now it is so important that you drink water because the skin is the last organ, and the skin is an organ of elimination and it needs the water. So it is essential that you have to drink at least 8 glasses of water for the skin to get the moisture. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour my first glass of water, and I can smell the mint, and you can see the water is a little bit cloudy. Remember, it was 2 hours. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open it. Now this is why I like this with the little holes. And I'm going to put a glass of room temperature of water right in there. So it's going to make more diffuse the nutrients. And in about an hour or so, I'm going to drink another glass of water. And I'm going to pour another glass of water in here. And you rotate that the whole day. So you can drink at least 8 glasses of water. And because it's diffused, you can see a little bit cloudy. Because it's diffused with all the nutrients, it is tasty, it's healthy. I call this a detox water. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It is a short one this time, thank goodness. Anyways, these 3 ingredients put together will diffuse into the water and you will have a healthy drink. It will curb your appetite, and in no time you will have an amazing clear skin. If you have acne, your skin will become cleaner, and if you have dehydrated or dry skin, your skin will start looking glowy and healthy and supple. Take care.